I'm teacher Om Jin. Okay, from Suvarnabhumi School, Battambang campus. His topic is homework should be banned. Okay, please welcome.
Okay, so thank you very much. And first of all, I would like to say wonderful morning to the honorable judges. And good morning to all the respected audience and ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I feel that this room is quite cold, of course, but my body is strangely sweaty and hot. So I think because of the judges. So I just want to say be nice on me and do not look too serious. That's all. And as you know, because the MC has already declared my topic, which is homework should be banned or not. Now, for those of you who used to be teachers and now have become school principal already, let me ask you a question. When you were teachers, did you give homework to your students regularly? How about if you were parents? Would you like your school or your parent, if the school, the teachers give homework to your children? I am here to clarify my stance, and I want to tell you that homework is good for the students' academic progress. Well, in here I have 6 points which I would like to elaborate on. But first I'd like to talk about homework. Homework is an assigned work which is related to the topic, the subject which the teacher has already taught to the students during the daytime. And the pupils bring this work to do at home. Now, one of the benefits for doing homework is that it acts as a supplementary reinforcement tool that helps students to practice more. Because we know that learning daytime is not enough, so we have to study also at nighttime. Studying at school is not enough, we need to study more at home. Number 2, doing homework can establish autonomous learning. Now, for those people, for those students who have goals in mind before coming to class, they are likely to become more successful in their study than those who do not have their goals in mind. Well, when you do homework, you know that this is what you studied already. And sometimes it creates a sense of responsibility that you need to be prepared, or better prepared, so that you are going to do well in class. Now, number 3, the benefits of doing homework is that teacher can actually use homework as a tool to measure students' actual ability. Well, how about classwork? Can the teacher not measure the students' actual ability? They can too. But with homework, the teacher can gather more information about what actually the student have achieved in their class.